Data privacy is a shared responsibility among all members of an organisation. While founders and CEOs are responsible for setting the tone and culture around data privacy, developers and other team members play a critical role in maintaining data security. In fact, 90% of data security relies on developers. To ensure that they are equipped to handle this responsibility, it is essential that they receive adequate training on data security best practices, like security by design. So let's start with a simple registration form, such as a brochure request. We need to split it into a few factors: compliance, data processing, cookies, and security. When it comes to GDPR compliance, we should address one factor at a time. To ensure that individuals are well informed, we need to show the names of the company or companies that will process their data. It is also important to obtain explicit consent that is clear and understandable, so that individuals can make unforced decisions to allow the company to contact them with offers. To ensure appropriate consent management, a privacy policy must be presented to users when they fill out the registration form. They must agree to the policy by checking a box, which cannot be pre-ticked. It is important to save the timestamp, the type, and user IP information of this consent. Consent cannot be given for an unlimited time. Your privacy policy should clearly state how long you are going to keep the data or when it is going to be removed. Managing cookies in compliance with GDPR rules is crucial. And to achieve this, cookies should not be triggered on the visit, but only when cookies are accepted. One way to achieve this is by implementing a data layer tag manager that works for the first and third party cookies. This ensures that only cookies that the user has accepted are triggered. The next step is to send data to the server for processing. This is where developers play a critical role by implementing strategies such as security by design. For example, data payload and sensitive data should be encrypted before being sent to the API gateway. The API gateway has the following attributes: authentication, security, traffic, and logging. These attributes help ensure that the data is secure and that only authorized users can access it. API application logic should take into account that sequential IDs can allow unauthorized access. Using UUIDs enhances security and privacy by preventing guesswork. Disaster recovery strategies on the application level are often overlooked in countless application setups. This can be damaging to business operations, especially when application is critical for money-making components. The development team should test the system and disable main parts of the application to see how long it will take to recover from server crashes, data deletion, and etc. This information can be factored into the business continuity plan, company policies, and disaster recovery processes, and helps to introduce accountability to the team. Data protection compliance needs to be achieved not only on a business level, but by producing all necessary documentation, but also on a team and individual level. Proper tracking and setups can prevent data breaches, security threats, and ensure that your company will be operational even when disaster strikes. To further ensure the safety and security of our customers' data, we have partnered with the Safekeeper program. This program provides founders and CEOs with the tools and resources they need to protect their data and comply with data privacy regulations. To learn more about the Safekeeper program, please contact Michael Pilch, the program's head and CIO.